you down. Don't let him wrap you around his finger.
Don't you know he's not treating you right? He's with some other girl. I know you better listen to me, girl. Hear what I say. Keep a watch on him, try to make him stay. Don't give him a chance to find a new romance.
Say, girl, you better check yourself and get wise to it. Ooh, girl, you know you gotta be strong, but be